breakfast up.
Ooh. Breakfast is ready.
Rearranging furniture right now.
Very nice. Oh.
Be careful.
Yes, you do have to be careful.
Yeah.
Yes, you do. No booms.
No food.
No booms. Shall we go have some nice eggs and coffee cake?
Ooh, yummy.
Yummy. Let's go.
Oh.
You okay?
Sure.
It's okay.
Sure, okay.
Yeah, is that be okay?
Oh, no, no.
You can do it. 2 hands.
One on in
Fun.
With some more.
I know.
You want to go have some breakfast?
No.
Let's go have some yummy coffee
Oh,
cake.
coffee cake?
I'm going to. See ya.
Coffee cake.
Yeah, come on.
Oh.
Let's go have some.
Come on, you gonna have some coffee cake? We're gonna go have some coffee cake.
We'll come back and play, right?
Okay.
Sure.
You can leave those here.
That's mine. So this is your girl.
You can leave the stools here. We're gonna have some coffee cake, okay?
Bring shoes.
You gonna bring the stool with you? Okay.
Other shoes.
No, we only need one. You only got one bum.
Coffee cake.
Hot, no touching us.
Yes. The other rack is inside there. I know
alright.
what you saw.
Okay.
Okay, give them a check.